We're on Reddit, Facebook ads, and this guy asked, if I'm bad at ads, what do I hire? Who do I hire? Upwork, Fiverr. I have an online business, but I need to accept that this is not my skill set. What is my best option? By the way, if you're running Facebook ads, I can audit your Facebook ads account for $1. The link will be in the description below. We're gonna sit on a call. We are gonna share your screen. We're gonna go over your campaigns, and I'm gonna share what you need to fix. I offer this for $1 because this is how I get clients for my agency. If you like what you hear, if you think I'm a good fit for your business, and if I also believe that we're good for working together, I can help you manage your ads. So who do you hire? I suggest you hire somebody you trust. This will be my first idea, because somebody who is good with Facebook ads, I'm pretty sure that a lot of the good Facebook ads media buyers will be able to run campaigns for e-commerce, local businesses, courses, etc., because the things are really, really similar. If you go on Upwork or a Fiverr, I'm not sure what's the quality of work you're gonna get. For example, I know a lot of people on Upwork outsource. If you work with an agency, the agency will outsource. So I suggest you work with somebody who you trust. This person doesn't need to be amazing with Facebook ads, right? You need somebody amazing if you want to scale from, let's say, from 100K per month to like 500K per month. Then you need a lot of dedication, but most of the good media buyers will be able to handle most of the situations you throw at them. So I wouldn't suggest going to a platform such as Upwork or Fiverr. You can message somebody, you can message me. Um, you can find the links in the description below. However, if you want to hire, I would go more on a Facebook group. There are these Facebook groups called media buyers, so you can post a job offer. There you can do like a partial, you can do just like a part-time job. You can do, I just need to hire you for this, and if you do a good job, I might hire you for more. But I would suggest like testing people. I would suggest working with different people, see how they work, see if you like their style of work, because everybody has their own style. If you don't have any idea for Facebook ads, you would also need to hire a marketer. You need to hire somebody who can take your business as a whole and give you like practical advice. So when it comes to like hiring a person, I don't suggest going either on Upwork, either on Fiverr, because I know Upwork, there are a lot of agency. I know that there are a lot of people who are good at getting clients, but their delivery is not very, very good. So this will be my advice. I also started from Upwork, but I used Upwork for maybe like 3-4 months, and then I was on my own. I was able to get a lot of clients through, let's say, referrals. I'm getting clients through advertising. So when it comes to hiring, your best place would be go for somebody you trust. Go on Facebook groups, ask around your people if they have good media buyers. But I'm gonna say that it's very difficult to hire a good person today, because the good people, like I'm very good with Facebook ads. I have my own side gigs. I sell online courses on the side. I do consulting on the side. I also manage Facebook ads. So yeah, there are like a lot of nuances you need to consider when hiring somebody to manage your ads. And I believe managing your ads is not an easy job, because these people are managing money. So they're investing money into ads, and you're expecting them to return your money. For example, if somebody spends 30K on ads, you would expect for them to return 100K on ads for the whole month. So this is how advertising work. Should you hire anybody and everybody? Definitely no. Definitely no. It's much better to hire somebody who is more expensive, but somebody who is going to do a good job, because a good media buyer could scale your business a lot. And I scaled, I think, 2 or 3 companies to 10 million and more in revenue. So this is something that I urge you to maybe think about. Hire somebody who is good, because this person can dramatically increase your revenue and just help you live a much better life. This was the video for today. If you're interested in Facebook ads, in media buying, running an agency, just make sure you subscribe to my channel. What I do, I usually go on Reddit and I answer questions. I release a new video each and every day. So yeah, subscribe to my channel if you want me to personally help you manage ads, get more out of your marketing. Click the links in the description below. Yeah, that was the video for today. Bye for now.